Hello Airsoft World! I'm Nick and today we'll answer the most basic question. What is Airsoft? When someone asks me, I'm always like, it's like paintball but more realistic using the classic plastic white BBs. But man, I'm not a war lover, I just enjoy this hobby, which is as real as it can get to a battlefield gaming simulation. So, Airsoft is a team shooting sport in which participants eliminate enemy players using most of the time 6mm spherical plastic pellets, as known as BBs, that launch via replicas called airsoft guns or in some countries, softer guns. Although it's very similar to paintball in concept and gameplay, airsoft BBs do not typically leave visible markings on their target and hits are not always apparent. Most of the times. Okay, sometimes. The game relies on a honor system in which the player who has been hit is obliged to call himself out. And I know what you're thinking. What if he will not call the hit? He will not call it once, twice, then, or the system and the players will kick him off, or he will understand that there is no room for ego, selfies and cheating in this game. Airsoft became popular with this form the last 10, max 15 years, so if you hear a veteran saying, "Hey boy, I started playing Airsoft at 1995, he did the same like I did when my father bought me an airsoft gun for €5 at the St. George celebration and we played like this. This is not Airsoft. Today you can join airsoft fields where you will be informed, be totally safe, they will check your replica to be in the shooting limits and enjoy scenarios like team deathmatch, capture the flag or whatever they can imagine to make it more interesting. You can play from half an hour until almost 3 days, the maximum I have ever played. Because of the realism of the weapons, the low cost, a lot of countries use them for army and police training purposes, are perfect for movies, TV shows and to make your favorite gangster look tough on his video clips pointing the pistol and making his angry face. There are 3 general power sources in airsoft guns: electric, gas and spring. They are non-lethal but can still do some damage to very sensitive body parts in close distance, and that's why there is a minimum engagement distance depending on the FPS and joules. I know if you are new there are a lot of unknown words, but we'll talk about them to future episodes. Safety goggles, at least in my country, are the minimum by law protection you need to play. However, I highly recommend wear full face protection, boots and also gloves to protect yourself. If you visit an airsoft field, you will see that they treat airsoft guns with the same respect and safety as real firearms. Generally, the airsoft community is great. Each player wants to have fun and wants everyone else to have fun. In-game, you will be in a very intense situation and maybe be angry, but at the end, you will see that everybody talk about the game and laugh. You will meet people from all walks of life and you will have a common love. Airsoft. That was for today, don't forget to follow me on my social medias, hit the like button to support me, leave a comment if you enjoy the video, or what do you want to talk about to the next episodes.